We did a 5-hour Lost World adventure in Belize and we enjoyed it. Bus ride from the port takes an hour and a half to this protected jungle. We had to use the bathroom first, then hike for more than an hour to get to the cave and river tubing. The first restroom was located across this hanging bridge. This is just one, and not too high hanging bridge in the area. Some hanging bridges were 750 high. I would recommend wearing a hiking water shoes for support. The trail that we walked on were rocky with so many steps to climb and steps to go down before we get to the start of river tubing.
Look at them floating. Wow.